how to change Activision username. So all you have to do is to tap on activision.com there, open your account, sign in your account. So if you've already logged in, just tap on profile here on the upper right. Now if you tap on that, it will lead you here, your home area. Now the next thing that you want to do to be able to change your username is in the left side you will see account linking, basic info, preferences, privacy and security. Tap on basic info here and your personal information will come out here. And as you can see here under Activision ID, there's your username and your ID number. So what I want you to do is to tap on edit here, and it will actually ask you to verify your account, and it will send a code to your email. So just tap on send code here and just go to your email, and then once it's there, just tap on the code there and then tap on submit. Now it will go back to account linking here to your home page again, but you can now go to your basic info and do the same process again and tap on send code and do the same process again. Tap on edit. Is actually, I'm sorry, the first one is to verify my account. I forgot to verify it. Now the next thing that you want to do here is to change your ID here. Just delete that and tap on here and then tap on save here, and then it will ask you to tap your password and just put your password there, and basically you have now successfully changed your username. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.